Hello guys, and today I'm doing a video on my Connect model roller coaster, Sorcerers Eclipse. So it took a very long time to do, probably like 2 weeks. No, like a month. This was like one of my first run surprisingly. So yeah. I might put all of these Connect model roller coasters on a playlist. Okay? You can see that. This is kind of skyscraper I built in second grade. So yeah. I'm doing this video on Sorcerers Eclipse. Hope you enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's not I don't want subscribers for the money. I want subscribers because I just like to know that people are actually watching my videos. Because usually I like to think my videos are horrible, which they kind of are. And like no one ever watches them. Let's watch it from this angle. And my state building got in the way. I might do a video on this roller coaster. It's this one we are currently doing the video on. So we should probably get in a better look at the loop. This part. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm probably going to say sorry because there's nothing to talk about. Then it goes back up again. I might let it run about two more times. Then I'll end the video. So really, thanks for watching this video. I'm probably gonna get to the loop. It goes too fast. There goes the camera. My arms are tired because I was throwing football earlier. My arms are tired from all the throwing and catching. So sorry about the bad camera. They were also a little wobbly, but no just not change. Okay, I'm gonna end this one here, so peace out.